Hello, everybody. I'm back with a quick little update for the portaling system. Um, as you can see, this is the test world from a previous video. Check that video if you want to see how the system works. But essentially, I just created a few more portals to go through. There are a total of 9 portals right here. I improved both the overworld portal and the nether portal to be a little bit more quicker and more consistent because I've had a few issues there. And essentially, I've pretty much maxed it out by now. There are now 9 portals in the system, which in my opinion is the maximum size because the 0 is also part, so 0 to 8. In my opinion, that's a maximum because the time frame is almost maxed out. And it's just possible to get to the last portal in survival mode. Yeah, let's just travel to the last one, which is the most challenging one, and see if it works. Fingers crossed. I've also added this little block right here, and you can walk against that, and it will retract the second the portal is ready. And that worked. And as you can see, if we look back, all the other portals are switched off. I can see these, this one, this one, this one, that one, that one, that one. They all turn back on, and now the system has reset. And yeah, as you can see, there are a few little changes to the Netherside portal and to the overworld portal, and I will quickly show you what those changes are. Okay, let's start with the overworld portal. I failed to mention that in the last video, but this dropper line right here and the comparator signal, this is extendable. Essentially, you only need as many droppers as you have portals in your system. And now I have 9 droppers right here. I really don't need all of them, but yeah. You can just see that's literally always the same thing, and there's always some expendable item in there that gets transferred over. Now this part looks a little different. I removed the light from back here. The setup right here is quite similar. We have the repeater and a block, and we have a repeater on 4 ticks and one on 1 tick. That's different from the last design, and the signal goes around here and back there to the observer. Then we also have one repeater looking into this repeater on 2 ticks. This one is on 4 ticks. And also one looking this way with 4 ticks and another with 2 ticks, also in that repeater, and a sticky piston with a block on top that pushes the block right in front of the portal up. That is the whole mechanism for the block system. Yeah, I think that's all the changes to the overworld portal. Yeah, those are all the changes to the overworld portal. Now on the nether side, things are a bit more tricky. As you can see, there are a few changes. I removed the old pulse lengthener because I needed a pulse lengthener that immediately resets. Because this pulse lengthener I used before needs 15 seconds to lengthen the pulse and another 15 seconds to reset. And that doesn't work because the game only gives you 15 seconds total. So I switched it out for a standard old comparator pulse lengthener, and we're just taking the signal from the same torch and the same repeater that's still here, and we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, dust, target block, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think that's 10. 4 and 6, yeah, 10 comparators in this loop, and that creates around the same length of signal extension as before. Also on the top, I placed rails on the hoppers and hopper minecarts because these minecarts pick the item up much quicker and much more consistently. and we need that in order for the whole system to work, yeah, more reliably. Yeah, those are the changes to the Nether side. If there are more changes, then I'll let you know, but that's it for this quick little update video. Thanks for watching.